Welcome to GooeyTrade and the MatchTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at the TradingView graphics on MatchTrader. You will have seen our previous videos on MatchTrader with respect to graphics and how to set them up and how to use them. Switch your chart to TradingView and you will have access to graphic tools along the left side toolbar. Expand the chart to get a full screen view. Even the most basic graphic tools like the line has a vast variety of options which will be impossible to cover in one video. Let's look at the trend line to see the comprehensive list of features. Draw a simple trend line in the usual way. When you select it and the endpoints are visible, both the X and Y axes indicate the extremes in price and time. Of course, you may change its color, opacity, line thickness, and style like any graphic tool. However, click on the settings icon for a lot more. You may extend left and extend right and pick a middle point. You can show a list of statistics relating to the points on the line like price range, percentage change, change in pips, candles or bars range, and others. You may change the position of the stats as well. You may add text to any graphic tool, and you have a wide range of configurations available. The same graphic tool and its configuration will also be displayed simultaneously on MatchTrader Mobile on the same account set for TradingView. Again, this incredible array of options is available for all line types. TradingView offers you more Fibonacci and Gann options than you will ever need. You may change line colors and thicknesses, and add more fib levels if you require. You may alter the background for more clarity, and you may change to percentage view if you prefer. You may also change the location of the labels. If you don't need Fibonacci or Gann on every time frame, you may deselect them under Visibility. Of course, you may select and delete any graphic tool by selecting it and clicking on the trash icon. Some incredible useful patterns can be automatically drawn like Elliott waves, Gartley, and head and shoulders. A huge amount of drawing tools are available, including freehand lines and highlighters. Of course, text is available, and there are too many options to cover in one video. If the magnet is highlighted, most graphic objects will lock to the highs, lows, opens, and closes of the candles. And with the eye icon at the bottom, you may hide all graphics and indicators. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade MatchTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on MatchTrader.